How to fix Telegram's too many request issue. Running into the too many request error on Telegram. Here's why it happens and how to deal with it. This error shows up when you perform too many actions too quickly, like joining groups, sending messages, or making API requests. Telegram blocks you temporarily to prevent spam. The fix is patience. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes without taking more action. If it persists, wait a few hours. Avoid spamming recent buttons or repeatedly trying the same command. If you are a bot developer, ensure your code follows rate limits. Use Telegram's recommended delay between requests. If you are using a shared IP or VPN, someone else might be triggering rate limits. Try switching networks. Ever been rate limited on Telegram? Tell us what caused it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.